Septicflesh, and you are watching MM Story.
Thank you. So, you've been touring for a couple of days now, right? And tell me...
3 weeks.
3 weeks? Oh, well, that's a long time. And how was the tour so far?
Yeah, it's going well. It's a long tour.
Yeah.
7 weeks tour. We are not even in the middle. But it's a good package, you know, good people, good bands, and good conditions. And when you have these things, you know, a tour can be really smooth.
Yeah. And did you have any favorite show so far?
Well, Paris was great, Lyon, Slovenia. We had some good shows, very good shows. You know.
And it's been 3 weeks now, so is there anything like special or interesting that has happened that...
Well, it's better to not happen something serious.
Yeah.
When I told you it's a long tour and we have to be really focused and on our target. You know, till now we had some issues, technical issues in the bus, but everything is going well.
And can you tell me, how does your regular day looks like while you're touring?
Well, the majority of times can be boring, you know.
Boring? Why?
You know, you just have to wait to perform.
But tell me, what was the picture of Serbia before you came here? Because it's like a different country.
Well, you know, we heard many stuff in Greece about Serbia. We are very connected.
Yes.
Through our religion, although we are not so religious persons. And it's a very, we consider like brothers, you know, the Serbians and Greeks. And it's a very nice country, although that you had some problem with the war and this kind of stuff. It's a great country, great country.
Yeah, but you're really mean like people, not something political,
yeah, of course,
like that. Because usually Greeks love Serbs and Serbs like
yes,
Greeks,
yes.
so it's really deep connection. And your last album was in 2017.
Yes.
And are you working on anything new?
Well, we had the time since the release to promote the new album. We did, this is the 4th tour for the album. We focus on that, and when we will return, we will start to write new material.
Oh, nice.
Hopefully, we might release it in 2020. We shall see. It's something that it's too early to mention something about.
And can you just tell me, how does it look like when you're writing music? Is there any formula or something?
No, we follow our inspiration, you know. We are 3 people, main composers that compose music. We know each other very well. We have good chemistry all these years, you know, we never change the base of Septicflesh. And we continue like that. We are really pleased with the results now. You know, when a team wins, you cannot change, you know, even members or formulas in composition.
And can you tell me just at the end, I won't bother you anymore, do you have any message for your fans here in Serbia?
Yes, I want to thank all our Serbian fans that supported the band all these years. We played only once in 2008 in a festival, and hopefully after this show, you know, we might come whenever we have a new album. It would be great.
So we should expect you again here.
Yeah, of course.
Well, thank you for your time and contact, and see you tonight at the stage.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.